How to find PayPal account number. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can find or locate your PayPal account number. In order to locate or find your account number of PayPal, make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions as guided. Unfortunately, PayPal does not provide users with a traditional account number like a bank does. Instead, PayPal uses phone number, email address to identify you or your account. So when you receive payment on PayPal, they are linked to your email address. However, PayPal does not provide a unique identifier called PayPal ID or customer ID as well. So this ID is a series of letter and a number that you can use to refer to your account. Here's how you can find it. So first of all, you need to log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the settings or profile section. So click on your profile icon in the upper left hand side corner of your screen. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username. Now once you're on this page, what you need to do is in the settings or profile section, look for the section that provides the information about your account. So that includes your personal information as well. So here you have all the details of your account. After that, you can also go to login and security. Right over here, you can see that login with your fingerprint. If you want to enable this feature, then toggle the switch and then you'll be able to make login details with your fingerprint. However, if you want something else, then you need to go to the section of passkey and click on manage. Over here, you'll be able to make your fingerprint as a passkey. So click on create a passkey and then do the same procedure, create a fingerprint as your passkey. So you'll also be able to receive a verification code. So click on the next button in order to confirm your identity. So this is also one of the feature of a passkey. So this is an alternative to find your PayPal account number or an PayPal ID or customer ID, whatever. So this is how you can find and locate your PayPal account number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.